Revamping your home doesn't need to be expensive. Window coverings are essential in boosting both the functionality and visual appeal of your space, striking a balance between style and practicality. Whether your goal is to cultivate a warm environment, lower energy expenses, or simply enhance your interior decor, selecting the appropriate window solutions can significantly impact your home. Picture starting your day with gentle, diffused light that illuminates your space without being overpowering, or choosing blinds that not only look gorgeous but also provide excellent insulation. In this collection, we'll present creative tips and concepts for window treatments that not only highlight your home's distinctive design but also yield considerable savings on energy and upkeep costs. From sophisticated curtains to modern blinds and adaptable shades, there's a perfect choice for every room and budget. Prepare to discover inventive designs that blend functionality with elegance, enabling you to relish a refreshing atmosphere while being mindful of your expenses. Let's delve into the realm of window treatments and unveil the possibilities for your home together. Call Diamond Custom Shutters at 416-571-3315 or visit the window coverings gallery in the description area of this video.